So, as part of yesterday's class, we learn about what is a shell script and what are the advantages of shell script, disadvantages, and how to create a shell script. And at the same way, then we are also going to learn about how to execute shell script. So, how to execute shell script is a pending one. So, at one line, a shell script is a collection of commands keeping in a chronological order in a text file to achieve a specific task. To achieve a specific task, we go with this shell script. The advantages of shell scripts are automation, and we can also reduce the human efforts, and we can save the time, and we can also schedule it by using the cron tab or any tools, and even easy to write, and even debugging is also simple. There are some advantages. So when it comes with disadvantages, so if you do a Unix is a case sensitive, so if you do a small mistake causes the higher consequences. So at the same time, we don't get a much error debugging tools. For example, if you go with other programming languages, so you will get some suggestions, but in shell scripting you don't get any suggestions. So that's why, while creating a shell script, so always while creating a shell script, so mainly the main intent of the shell scripts are to customize our work environment. Mainly for the customization purpose, we go with shell scripts, and go with shell scripts. And one more thing is, so how do we create a shell scripts? One is with by using vi or vim command, or we can also use we can also download notepad plus plus on your desktop. Then after downloading the after installing this one, so the advantages of going with Notepad++ is, so once you save the extension as .sh, so that it will show us like where that it is starting, where it is ending, some kind of suggestions we will get it. So if you go with Notepad plus plus. So these are the things what we have discussed yesterday. And even on shell script, the first line of shell script is always hash not bin by shell name. So the advantages of that one is, once we are having that shebang statement, that we call it as a shebang statement. The main motto of that shebang statement is, the moment when you run a program, if you don't specify that program, the program is going to run with default shell. You know how to get the default shell. But the problem is, so in Unix is having different shells. So if you design a program according to the C shell, and if you are trying to run the program in bash shell, 100% it fails, and vice versa. And and vice versa as well. So the advantages of that one is, so the moment it always checks that whether shebang statement exists. The shebang statement exists, the program invokes with that that way with the specified shell. Even though if you're having a n number of shells, the program runs with that specified shell. You know what is the meaning of shell, and all those details. A shell is a command line interpreter. It acts as a mediator between user and kernel. So whatever the commands are giving by the user, it will give to the kernel. Whatever the output is coming giving by the kernel, it will give it to the user. Those are the main functionalities of shell. So the more advantages of the one more advantages of the few more and if you are keeping that shebang statement, so once we are having a shebang statement, that shebang statement will really help us to, so that shebang statement will really help us to so execute the program. Whenever you are trying to run this program, either by using cron tab or autosys, so either of the scheduler, if you are going to run a program by using any scheduler, so through that schedulers, through that scheduler, we can able to it won't fail. So those schedulers are definitely needed. Those shebang statement. Otherwise, because schedulers are the just agents, it will try to run a command programs on behalf of you. If you're not going to specify the exact details, your program will be failed. So these are the different um, advantages and disadvantages of okay, shell and other programs. So yesterday we have created a one okay, shell program. So let me try to okay, run that okay, shell program. So the extension of okay, shell program is always .sh. The extension of okay, a shell program is always .sh. So once we're having a okay, a program, shell program, what are the different ways to execute a shell program? There are okay, different ways to execute a okay, shell program. Okay, the first one is by using dot forward slash, and okay, the other one is the other one is by using okay exact path. Then along with that, so okay, we're also okay, there are so four ways okay, we can able to okay execute. There are four ways. So okay, we can able to execute four ways we can able to execute shell program. One is sh program name, or by using dot forward slash, or by using using exact path. So exact path of okay shell script, exact path okay from root. So we call it as a absolute path. So we call it as a okay, absolute okay, path. So okay, one is like absolute path, and by using by using program name. So this we will try to okay discuss. So if you go with a okay sh okay program name, so sh okay program name. So the extension of okay shell program is okay sh, right? We can able to so enter the okay number to count up to okay, for example, just 10. So counting the number 1 to 10. So okay, sh. So okay, leave about test.sh. So okay, sh test.sh. So okay, here. So as I mean, in order to execute a program by user must require a execute permissions. That okay, we are going to discuss. But now we have created a shell script, and we have created a shell script. The extension is okay .sh. So now sh is a kind of okay one shell. For example, how do we know that what are the different types of shells? etc okay shells. So okay etc sorry okay cat etc shells. We do have okay this many of okay shells. So again bash first sh bash first sh. And okay, we're also having that okay, these are the two shells okay, we're having. So with help of that, let me try to install m-y okay, install okay ksh. Let's see whether okay loaded plugin. So m-y-install install ksh. So we are trying to install the okay ksh, and we'll also try to install the csh as well. So csh also we are going to install the okay shells. So these are the two shells okay, we have okay installed now. Now those shell details automatically okay stores under okay shells file etc shell. So earlier it was showing until okay this, right. Now it is also showing that the KSH, RKSH, TCSH, CSS. CSS means she shell, TCSH means 10 times faster than the okay, she shell, and KSH and RKSH. These are the different shells. Now, so if you want to okay run this program with KSH, just KSH test.sh. Sorry, okay, KSH, okay, first dot okay sh, KSH first dot okay sh. You are able to okay run the programs. You are able to run the okay program. And if you go with okay CSH first dot sh, so the program okay you are going to get a different styles of okay program. This is a C shell, right? So you are going to get the output on okay different formats. But so, I mean, as part of CH mode, I clearly said that in order to perform an operations on a file by a specific user, you required okay, respective permissions. So, what are the permissions you required? We required the write and execute permissions, read and execute, in order to okay read and okay execute a program. But but if I try to go with okay shell name, so shell name, but the shell name is not allowing us to okay, even though if you observe even though if you observe the permissions now, so if you observe the permissions now, so the permissions of okay first dot sh is the owner is having read, right, group is having read, and like others are having the okay read. No one is having a write and execute. So okay, I mean group and okay, others are not having write and execute, and owner is not having okay execute permissions. Owner is not having so execute permissions. So the advantages of executing a program by using with okay sh command is, say sh is a kind of okay shell name. So not only sh, I can call it as okay shell name. So okay just okay shell name for a program name. So example. So okay example. How can we go with that? Okay sh okay script name or okay sh script name or ksh okay script name or okay bash okay script name. So these are the different ways okay we can able to okay run it. These are different ways okay we can able to okay run a okay program. Whereas okay I mean so the advantages of okay this one is, so even though if you don't have a execute permissions, okay, execute permissions on a program, a user can able to execute it. User can able to execute by using with okay, some specified shell, because okay shell is having okay all sort of okay permissions. So by default permissions okay are okay, intact with okay shells. So we are able to okay execute that okay program. We are able to execute the okay program. Whereas if you want to run a program by using okay what is the exact path, so there are the other option of executing a program is by using dot forward slash or by using the exact path. What do you mean by dot forward slash? Dot forward slash means okay you know that dot is a current directory and forward slash is a root directory. We are going to say that, so this dot forward slash we call it as a relative path. So relative okay path. So okay, relative path. What do you mean by okay, relative path? So what do you mean by okay, relative path? So okay, relative path is nothing but, so okay, which is not the okay, straightforward okay path. Which is not the straightforward path. We are going to okay derive this. Okay, we are going to okay derive this okay I mean dot forward slash. So from the root, so go and check that okay value of okay dot and okay try to convert okay I mean so even though if you are going to give as dot forward slash okay if you are executing a program by using dot forward slash, it will consider that okay it will consider the current program is available in current directory okay from root. So convert this relative path as a absolute path. So on behalf of you, shell will convert okay this as a absolute path. Then okay, that program will be executed. So but so the other way of executing a program is dot forward slash. Dot forward slash we call it relative path. The exact path we call it as a absolute path. So absolute means from the root. So exact path from the okay root. Exact path from okay root name. Okay, exact path from okay root. Exact path from root. So if you go with okay dot forward slash first dot sh, you will get the exception, because so it will clearly says that permission okay denied. So even though you are the owner of a program, so the root is the owner of the program, but you cannot able to execute the program by using dot forward slash. The reason of okay this one is you do not have a execute permissions to run a program. So in order to run a program, so what are the permissions you required? So execute permissions are required. So we need to issue the chmod okay 7 okay 7 okay 55 first dot sh. So 755 means I am going to provide okay read write execute for okay execute for okay owner, and read and execute for group and others. Read and execute for group and okay others. Group and okay others. For this file, the owner and a group is okay a group is okay root only. So issuing the 755 doesn't make any sense. But generally what we do is we always use okay chmod 755 first dot sh. Now okay ls hyphen okay lrt ls hyphen okay lrt. So first dot sh. So the what is the prerequisites? So the prerequisites of okay, running okay I mean the prerequisites is okay the prerequisite is you must be having a you must be okay having execute okay permissions, execute permissions. You must be having okay execute okay permissions okay in order to execute a program by using dot forward slash or exact path. So now so okay now dot forward slash, so first dot sh. So we are going to get the output. What is the pwd? Var temp. So var temp then okay forward slash okay first dot okay sh. This way also we can able to run a program. So these are the two ways to run a program. One is by with okay exact path, or by using this okay dot forward slash. Dot forward slash means, so if you execute okay ls hyphen led dot star, every folder is having a okay dot and two dot dot. So dot represents the current directory details, dot dot represents the parent directory of okay, parent directory of okay current directory details. So whenever you use this okay dot forward slash, even in find command or majority of the commands, okay this dot directory contains the, so details of okay details of dot contains the a detail, I mean pwd of the output of pwd contains by okay dot. So from there it will take that okay entire path, I mean full path, okay it will okay run it. These are the okay two ways. Now, the other way to execute a program is, so for example, if I'm trying to run this ls-lrt, so ls-lrt is also a okay, one executable file. Is also a one executable file, but without a path, even though if I'm not passing a path, you are able to execute this program. So how can we execute this program? The reason okay behind this is, the reason okay behind okay this is, so, okay, as I said, okay, earlier, so as I said earlier, so, okay, we do have a environment variables. In environment variables, we have a variable called okay path. We have variable called okay path. So, so for example, if I execute ls command or any ls-lrt, so if you don't specify a path, okay, either dot forward slash or exact path, it will try to look the command or okay program on okay these directories, user local sbin. So okay, for example, okay ls hyphen okay lrt, or so just go ahead with okay grep hyphen I, so grep hyphen I ls, so grep hyphen I ls, just go ahead and okay check okay I mean, so okay this way, so it will try to check on what locations, on okay what locations, so on what location, so this program is okay located, from that location okay this program will be okay executed. So okay locate, for example, you can also use locate, so ls. So if you go with okay locate ls, so okay this okay ls command okay is available on, so okay I mean locate, so ls okay grep okay hyphen w okay ls. So okay, this is available on user bin okay ls, user bin ls. So if you execute echo dollar path, echo dollar path, so okay, I mean we are also having that okay user, so okay user bin s bin, right? So user, so okay here okay user bin ls. So which means that this command is located, the okay ls command is located on user bin okay ls. So because of that, so because of that you are able to okay because of that you are able to execute the program. So which means that you are going to say that hey my program is okay I mean if you are not going to specify a path for any of the command or program name, it will try to look on okay it will try to look on each and every directory which is okay located on dot path folder. So if it is available it will pick up and it will run. So if it is not available, then okay you don't get okay any kind of okay output, you don't get any kind of okay I mean they will get exception that command okay not found. Whereas the same way, for example, if I execute first dot sh, will say that command not found, it is considering as a command. So where it is okay looking, this is looking on, so on okay these many okay directories, this many directories. So what we can do is, so okay echo, so okay path, we are having a path, right? So echo, so okay dollar path, right? So for this path what we can do is we can add our okay, current path as well. So for example in this case export path is equals to dollar path and colon var temp. So as I told you that okay, a path is a colon delimited okay directory. A path is a colon delimited okay directory. So now go ahead and run the okay your program. So you will get the output, which means that now. So what is the okay, value of echo dollar path? If you run this echo dollar path, so we already associated this okay var temp. We already associated with this okay var temp. So it okay, I mean the okay this program it will look into okay this directory. If it is not available, it look into this directory. If it is not available into this directory, then okay, this directory, then it will come into this directory and it will execute okay, this program and it will execute this okay program. So for example, okay, mkdir, so okay test. So okay, okay, I mean okay, for example, okay, cp. So first dot ss2, okay, I mean test. Go to okay test. So okay test and okay mv. So now go ahead and run this program, whether this will execute or it will fail. So this is okay failing now. So which means that the path command. So okay, which means that path. Okay, I mean whatever that. Okay, I mean okay, whatever. Okay, here you need to understand. Okay, one thing. Echo dollar. Okay, path. So if you are not going to specify okay, if you are not going to specify a path, it won't okay, I mean it will look into only okay, it will look into only these directories, not subdirectories, not okay subdirectories. So only on okay these directories, for example okay ls hyphen l. So then okay, similarly just ls hyphen l, say ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l and vartam. And if this program is available, so for example if this program is available, it will try to identify to run it. So since it is not available, since it is not okay, available, so okay, since it is not available, so you are getting okay, you are getting that command okay, command or okay, command okay does not okay exist, command does not okay exist, command does not okay exist. So you need to be okay, you make okay, you need to think. So so you need to think that, so if you are going to keep the programs on okay, subdirectories, and the subdirectory is not okay, exported to that okay, path variable, and if you are executing a program without a path, it will fail because it will only look for the folders, only the folders which are there as part of path variable, as part of okay, path variable. So if you are not going to okay, if that program not on not on recursively, so what we can do is again here echo. So okay, now so export okay, path is equals to dollar path, then again colon var temp test, colon var temp test. Now okay, run this command. So now okay, run this one. Now we'll get the output, which means that now what is the output of echo dollar path? So this is the, so it is okay. We also exported the test file, test directory. So it is okay. It is looking into okay. I mean it is okay, in a fraction of seconds. It looks for okay, all the places, okay, all these folders. The folder is available, it will execute. The folder is not available, it won't. So okay, it won't. I mean, you will get the exception that command okay not found. So any doubts on okay here? The last one is if you try to add this program. So if you try to add this program on our okay, on okay, on profile files, on profile files. So whenever you connect to the system, whenever you connect to the system, and automatically this program will be okay, executed. For example, if you go with okay this guy ls-lart dot okay, ls-lad dot star, we are having this much of okay fold, this many of okay, files, right? How do you know that okay, what is our okay default shell? Echo dollar okay shell bin by okay bash. So okay, in the bin by bash, which means that okay, our default directory is okay bash rc. Okay, I mean the default okay path. I mean our default shell is bash. So we need to, if you want to okay, execute any program. So if you want to execute any program, automatically once we connect it to a system, then okay, we need to add your okay program into this file. We need to add your program into so this file. So automatically, so okay, automatically okay, we can able to okay, automatically okay, we can able to execute that program whenever it is okay connected, whenever it is okay connected. So in this case, what I'm trying to achieve, the moment when you establish a okay, the moment when you establish connection, it is going to run okay this program cat etc bash rc. So whatever the variables are available, those way okay, I mean this program will be executed, and okay, you will get okay, I mean okay, we will get the okay output okay, I mean accordingly the environment variables will be okay selected, environment variables will be okay selected. Total 5 ways to So okay, identify okay your default default shell, and okay add okay script into rc files, okay script into okay dot rc files to execute okay whenever we launch the okay system, whenever you connect to the system, whenever you connect to okay system. This is one way. The last one is, so if you place our program, if you place a program on etc init.d, if you place a program on etc init.d, so if you are okay, placing a program on etc init.d, so init.d, so then automatically, so okay init.d, the program executes okay when system okay reboots, these are the different ways to execute the program. So okay, there is a differentiation, right? If you are going to keep under etc init.d, then that will be executed whenever you reboot your system. I mean, whenever the system is rebooting, during that time the program will be executed. Whereas if you are trying to add and the .rc files, whenever you establish a connections to the Linux system, so your Linux system is up and running. So when the user is attempted to connect, during that time the program will be okay, executed. These are the different ways to execute our okay programs. So any doubts on okay here? You need to remember that. So I mean, so we never and ever go with okay sh okay script name. It's always a problem. So always go with okay dot forward slash. If you are going with the dot forward slash, you must require you must require okay execute permissions on your okay program. So how do we get the execute permissions? By using chmod command. Chmod 755. That way we can able to get the permissions. So if you're having any doubts, let me know so that we can discuss. Yeah, we can able to mute. So let me know if you're having okay any doubts on this execution part and all. Then we can. Okay. So mainly, so we always use okay shell scripts. So basically, we always use this okay shell scripts. Okay, shebang statement, permissions. Okay, even we have created the okay, I mean first program. So if you want to debug a program, so if you want to debug a okay, if you want to debug your okay shell program, then okay, how do we debug our shell program? We can able to debug the shell program by using a command called sh hyphen so okay vx. So let me show you that okay sh hyphen v first dot sh hyphen v first dot okay sh. So okay the other one is sh hyphen okay vx. So okay sh hyphen vx first dot okay sh. So, okay, I mean, if you go with okay, sh hyphen v, so hyphen v ensure each line will be displayed okay before it executes. For example, okay, here, okay, this is that okay, each line. So each line, so this is my first script. Echo the system date and time is okay, date. Okay, this is the command. System date and time is okay, we are going to display. Echo system name is okay, host name, that command name. System name is okay learning, and below is the calendar of okay current month cal. So which means that each line will be displayed. So each line will be displayed. So okay each line will be displayed okay before okay it gets okay executes. So before okay it gets okay executes. So if you go with okay hyphen okay x, if you go with okay hyphen x, so okay here it will clearly shows that. So okay if you see the differentiation echo, this is my first shell script. So it is saying that okay this is my first shell script. Then then we're also okay having a okay date command. So we're also having a okay now. So okay now okay echo system date and time is okay so and so, right? So okay so and so. So here it's trying to say that okay, date is a part of okay, date is a, okay, part of this echo command. It will say that okay, plus plus date will be executed first, then okay, echo command. Similarly, the output of that one, and similarly echo my system name is okay, learning. So system name is okay, we are having that okay, okay, host name, right? That host name it is showing on here, and output on here, and okay, it is going to okay, display. So below is the calendar of current month. So those details it clearly okay, shows okay, by using this okay, hyphen okay, vx. So okay, hyphen vx is a facility. With help of hyphen vx command we can able to get debug our program. And this is the one way to debug a program. The other way to debug a program is okay, va first dot okay, sh. We can also okay, keep okay, at the end hyphen okay, vx hyphen okay, vx. So okay, hyphen. So okay, hyphen okay, vx okay, hyphen okay, vx. Now escape wq. So if you go with okay, this option, so if you go with okay, this option, even though if you are not going to okay, use okay, dot forward slash first dot sh, so the program will run on okay, debug mode. So this is a another advantages of okay, this is another advantages of okay, shebang statement. So with help of shebang statement we can also at the end of the line, if you use hyphen v or hyphen x commands, okay, we can able to okay, debug the program. So we can able to debug the okay, program. So sh okay, hyphen hyphen help. So okay, hyphen hyphen help, it will clearly okay, shows us. So okay, I mean, so as part of okay, debugging we always use okay, hyphen vx. So the intent of okay, hyphen vx is hyphen v. So ensure each line will be displayed, each line will be displayed, each line will be displayed before it executes. So okay, before okay, it executes, before okay, it executes, we can you can able to see that hyphen x means so each command will be displayed, each command will be displayed okay, before okay, it executes. So if you use okay, both, so okay, if you use both will be okay, displayed. So you can able to see on okay, here very clearly. So this is okay, let me write a very small program okay, vi. So okay, debug.sh I, so hash not bin by okay, bash. So okay, bin by bash echo system system time is just press the date. The next command okay, just okay, provide okay, then the next command okay, just okay, provide okay, okay, provide who hyphen okay, b. Just okay, two commands we are going to keep it. When we are going to learn, so when we are going to learn, so we should always okay, create a small programs. Then okay, we'll come to know that where are the okay, issues and all, where are the. So ch mode okay, I mean, let's go with this. So okay, sh hyphen okay, vx and okay, debug dot okay, sh. So if you go with okay, sh hyphen vx hyphen v means ensure each line will be okay, displayed. So each line will be okay, displayed. Echo, all the echoes will be displayed. Then okay, date. And x means so okay, each command will be displayed before it executes, right? So same. So in this file, so in this echo statement, we are having a okay, date, that is a command. So we are going to get so okay, okay, three will be displayed before it executes. So okay, all four, the line and everything is okay, displayed, and see okay, eventually we got the output as system time is this much. And similarly who hyphen b. So who hyphen b is a command, right? There is, it's not a okay, line echo statement. So it's displayed on okay, screen, and the same on okay, it's executed. Same is okay, executed. So in future if you want to debug a shell program, we can able to debug by using sh hyphen okay, vx. sh hyphen vx is a script name where okay, we can able to, so okay, where we can able to okay, debug the okay, program. So any doubts on okay, here? So go ahead and ask. So even we can also okay, specify okay, set command also, but set is not okay, needed. So okay, for example, if you are going to use okay, set hyphen x, so it will okay, open that okay, debug mode. So for example, if you are going to execute okay, sh first dot sh, okay, it will try to okay, display the same command and okay, everything plus and every details. But okay, we can also use a hyphen v, and okay, if you execute okay, hyphen e, it will be exit mode. So it will be so okay, exit mode. So, I mean, exit the first error. I hope it's clear for okay everyone. Okay. Set plus x means it will okay. Set okay hyphen x means we enable debug, right? So if you use okay plus, I think it will be stop. It will be okay stop the execution. We simply execute the okay program. So still because we added there, right? So sh okay debug. Now we are not going to get that. So, I mean, set command also we can use, sh command also we can use. We can also add okay, as part of okay, shebang statement. These are the different ways to debug okay, our okay, shell program. So, hope it's clear for okay, everyone. Now, okay, we'll discuss about okay, further concepts. So, before moving to that, so if you're having any doubts, let me know. We can have a discussions. Okay. Now, what we can do is we will okay discuss about okay further concepts, okay further concepts. So okay, as I mean we already know about okay these variables. So okay, I mean for example, if you go with okay other programming languages, if you go with okay other programming languages, okay if you go with okay another okay programming languages. So if you go with okay C or okay Java database, so if you are going to declare a data type of okay one specific column, we have to pass the data according to that okay data type. And so if you are going to specify a okay length, you have to okay pass the value according to that. For example, in okay in a Java, if I'm going to define, so I is equals to so okay integer of okay 3. So I is equals to integer of okay 3, and okay C is equals to character of okay char of okay for example char of okay 4. So generally, so in this case, when it comes with okay, okay when it comes with okay C, C++, Java, wherever it is. So now, okay, for example, okay here, whenever I'm trying to assign the data to I, it should be I is equals to 1, 2, 3. If I'm trying to pass I is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, it will throw the error message. Or if I try to pass okay I is equals to okay I is equals to 1a, it will throw the okay, error message. It will throw the say error message. Similarly, the character. So the maximum, for example, if I'm trying to assign okay C is equals to, so C is equals to okay RAMA, it will accept. Whereas okay C is equals to, so okay RA1 2 also it will accept, because character can also accept the okay number. Or if I'm trying to okay, assign C is equals to okay A B C D E, it will throw the exception. So okay, this is the incorrect option. So okay, it will be failed. So okay, in this scenario also okay, it will fail, and okay in this case also okay, it fails. And okay here okay in this scenario it fails. In this okay it is fails, which means that so if you go with okay, other programming languages, the other programming languages are very strict okay, on the variables, the data type, the okay, which is allocated to them. So for example, so okay, while creating that, while defining a variable, we have to define that okay, you have to define those okay variable in advance. You have to define those variables in advance, okay in advance. Then as part of program okay we need to assign the okay data. So for example, if you go with the C or Java, first we need to declare a variable. First we need to declare a okay variable. Then so without of okay if you are assigning the okay then we should okay then we should assign the data. Then we should assign the data according to the according to the type of data type, according to the data type of variable, data type of variable, and length as well, and length as well, and length as well. If you are trying to pass more than the specified length, it throws the exception. So then if you are going to if you haven't declared the variable and if you are trying to pass the value, you will get the exception that a variable is not declared. Variable is not declared. So there also we're having a public variable and private variable. So there are I mean even a variable can be a static or dynamic. So these are the different ways of declaring the declaring the variables, right? Similarly in Unix also. So what is the advantages? What is the I mean what is the meaning of variable? A variable is a placeholder. Variable is a So a variable is a placeholder. So what do you mean by placeholder? As I said earlier, so with help of mainly with help of variables, so we can able to it's essentially name to store the value. So basically what we can do is, I mean any shell any program, a variable is a variable is a placeholder. A variable is a placeholder. Placeholder. A variable is placeholder. What kind of things we can able to achieve with variable? Where if you want to pass the input, input of a program, then variable is needed. Where if you want to save the intermediate output of a program, a variable is needed. And if you want to return the output of a, I mean, if the program is returning the output, and if you want to store that output to a variable, and to return the data to a user, then variable is needed. So variable plays a key role. A variable plays a key role while in entire program. So not only shell program, every program, a variable is a variable is a key holder. A variable is a key I mean basically variable is a key component. So the main intent of the variable is to a variable is a placeholder to store the data, to store the data, to store the data, to store the data. What type of data? Intermediate data or user defined data or output of a program. So output of program. Now, so I mean in Unix, the good thing in Unix is we can able to define the variable whenever you needed it. It's not necessary that we should have to define, we should have to define. So it's not necessary that we should have to define the variable in advance, and we should save the I mean in advance along with so in advance is not needed, and data type is also not needed. Data type is also not needed, which means that so in Unix, in Unix shell scripting, so in Unix and shell scripting, so the Unix and shell scripting, I mean, it's not necessary that you should declare the variable. We should declare the variable in advance. In advance, it's not necessary to declare. And data type is also not mandatory. Data type is also not mandatory, because so by default we can able to assign any type of data. So number, character to number together, date, whichever you want we can able to. So whichever you want we can able to, so we can able to assign it, and we can able to assign it. So here, so no need to no need to in Unix, in Unix, no need to declare, no need to declare a variable, variable in advance. Whenever you want, we can able to directly make use of it. That is the one advantages. And data type, I mean Unix doesn't follow, Unix doesn't follow data type and width, data type and width, data type and so data type and width. So these two, so it doesn't follow, these two it doesn't follow. So these are the two things you need to be remember. So okay, I mean the okay, by default, okay, I mean every variable, so it kind of character only, so that okay, I mean so that okay, we can able to assign okay dates and okay everything okay together. So maximum how much we can able to assign the data to a variable. So arguments maximum. So this much of length we can able to assign the data to a okay, variable. So this is assigned to a. So in practically we can able to okay, stores hundreds of okay megabytes, hundreds of megabytes. So okay, I mean we can also I can call it as okay GB. So okay hundreds of megabytes we can able to store the data into the okay, variable. So this is the maximum length okay, where we can able to save the data. So this is the bytes. So if you are converting this bytes into okay, this is the bytes, right? Convert okay this into bytes into okay GB into MB. So this much of storage we can able to okay assign. This much of storage we can able to so assign it. This much of storage we can able to so okay assign it. So maximum okay it's kind of okay 2 MB or okay we can say it as, so this is too much. If you are going to assign this much of data, that is okay too much. So with help of getConf we can able to so get the okay details. So getConf whatever. And while creating the variable, so while creating the variable, you must have to follow, so you must have to follow some guidelines. You must have to follow, okay, some guidelines. So which means that, so whenever you are trying to declare a variable, so there should be some okay rules you need to be so defined. What is the first prerequisites? Variable name. So variable name should be so variable, okay, okay, variable name, okay, should start with character. So character that could be either small letter or capital letter. So small letters are capital letter. So okay, it should not starts with okay. I mean, okay, this is the one thing. Now variable okay if the okay the I mean if the variable is more than one word, so the name of the variable if you are going to keep okay more than okay one word, so it should be concatenated by using underscore okay keyword. So okay underscore keyword, the name of okay the name of variable is okay more than okay one word, it should concatenate okay it should concatenate by using okay by using two okay by using underscore, by using this so underscore, this is the one thing you need to be okay remember, by using this okay underscore. So the value of okay the name, the value of okay variable, the value of variable is more than okay one word. So you should enclose okay we should enclose. So we should enclose with okay double quotations. We should enclose with okay double quotations. So with double quotations are okay single quotations. We know the intent of single quotations are double quotations. These are the, and the last one is the name of the variable. The name of the variable should be equivalent to the operation, should be equivalent to the so okay operation, whatever the operation we are going to perform. So it should be, I mean it's not necessary that okay equivalent to the okay operations, equivalent to the okay equivalent okay I mean equaling to the okay operations, equivalent to the so operations. So, so here what are the valid variables? Let me try to declare okay here itself. So we can access the value of variable okay using dollar symbol, using dollar okay symbol. This we already know it. Now I'm going to declare India. So country. So country is equals to so okay India. So this is valid. So one country is equals to okay India. So it is a invalid because so one it is stating as a command, it is not going to execute. So for example, okay, my country. So my country is equals to okay India. So my country is equals to okay India. So my and country, I mean, it is going to be two words, right? Okay, the name of the variable is okay more than okay one word. So in this case, we have to use underscore. We have to use the underscore or so okay we have to use okay hyphen. Let me use the hyphen also. It does like only the underscore. Only underscore. It accepts. So how do we extract the value of okay variable echo my underscore okay countries. For example, okay, you are having okay countries. So countries is equals to India, okay, China, okay, China, okay, USA, and okay, Russia. So if you are going to define this one, so now you are getting a error message for you are getting okay error message for okay China because so two conditions we need to be okay satisfying, right? The name of variable, if the name okay if the name of the variable, so okay, if the name of okay, yeah, okay, if the name of variable is more than one word, so okay, it should be combined okay by using underscore. So by using okay underscore, so that we achieved an okay here. The second one is if the value of variable is more than okay, more than okay one word, you should enclose with double quotations or single quotations. So double quotations are okay single quotations. This is the another way. How do we access the value of variable? Echo dollar countries. Echo dollar countries. These are the different okay, ways to okay access. And okay, the limitation is not okay limited. For example, if I am declaring so n is equals to 1 and okay n is equals to okay 2. Now here both okay now the both variables are okay different okay output. So if you go with echo dollar n, you will get output as 1. Echo dollar n, okay, echo small n, output will be 2 because Unix is a case sensitive, right? Even that applies for the variable also. So if you are going to declare a small n as a variable and capital N as a variable, so don't okay imagine that the two will be overwrite with the one. No, it will never. It will never so overwrite. For example, if I declare like n is equals to 1, echo dollar n. If you want to overwrite the okay, values of okay, variable, you just use n is equals to 2. Then okay, echo dollar n. So the okay, value will be okay changed. So value will be automatically it will be override. Automatically it will be override those okay variables. Okay, override the value of okay variables. Whereas there is a keyword called okay read only. So n is equals to 2. So okay echo okay dollar okay echo dollar n, output is 2. Now n is equals to okay 4. So you will get as a exception, which means that this is it will throw that okay, this is a read only variable, we can't able to change it. So if you want to declare a value of variable constant, then how can we achieve it? By using a keyword called okay read only. So read only is a keyword. So with help of read only keyword, so by using read only keyword, by using okay read only keyword, we can make okay we can declare okay variable as constant. Stay a constant. These are the one thing. So if you want to override, so how do we override the values? Just again the same variable name is equals to value. It will be override. It will be so okay override. And even for variables also we can able to okay we can able to okay run a commands. For example, system date and okay time is so okay date. So this also we can able to so okay assign okay this way also we can able to so okay, I mean if you want to okay assign that okay, I mean if you want to assign sorry if you want to assign a command output to a variable, just okay type this command and okay here n is equals to quote. So n is read only variable, right? So instead of okay n, we'll go with okay m. So echo okay dollar okay m. So we'll get the system date and time also. We can directly assign. So which means that we can also okay execute a command, and the command output also we can able to assign it. For example, so okay list is equals to, so I'm going to okay, use okay ls hyphen l capital R T for okay from forward slash okay root. Just okay run this guy. So whatever it is, okay, I mean errors will okay throw on okay here, and okay echo. So okay echo dollar list, echo dollar okay list. This way also we can able to display the content of okay variable. So this is a way we can able to declare the value of variables and we can okay access it. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So for example, once you declare a variable as okay read only, just use the okay unset n. So okay, then unset n. Okay, cannot unset read only variable. That's fine. So okay, if you once you declare a variable as a constant, how do we declare the variable as constant? Okay, read only. Read only is a keyword to declare the value of variable as okay static. I hope it's clear for okay everyone.